be stupid. Wait there. Wait there.
Why? Whatever. Can you get my hat?
No.
Get my hat.
No.
Can't be arsed with this. Come to me arse.
George under arrest, but
I get sick of all this, boys.
listen now, Buck.
No.
Listen now. Hands on, John. You're under arrest, right, for multiple shoplifts, but. So the first theft I want to address is a theft that happened in Co-op. So it's alleged that you've gone in and stolen £210.50 worth of items before leaving the store. Moving on now then to the second theft. It's alleged you've gone in and stole 2 box sets valued at £210 and then left the store without payment. This time in one stop. It's alleged you've entered the store and stole £10 to £15 worth of chocolates and made no payment. Are you guilty of that offence?
No comment.
Did you have permission to take items from the store without paying?
No comment.
What did you do with those items?
No comment.
Moving on to the next one then.